guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing 10 ways to die in TFX. Number 1, water. Number 2, landing too fast and losing the gear 9. Number 3, you hit a mountain. Somehow, I don't know how. I don't know, I'm gonna hit a mountain. Number 4, stalling. Number 5, you are not a stunt pilot. I'm stunt pilot. What are you talking about? Number 6, forgetting to put your landing gear down. Like the factory, no landing. Does not see the gear somehow. I'm just going to land the plane. I don't know why I'm saying warning. Just landing. Let's try to make it butter. And number 7, approaching way too low. Very like approaching too low. Number 7, Air Florida Flight 90. Oh no. Oh look, I hit the brake. Number 8, going too fast. Oh no. Not good. I had to redo it. Okay, number 7, going too fast. Very fast. Okay. Going too fast. I need to demonstrate this with another aircraft. Number 7, going too fast. Too fast. Now I'm gonna hit the ground. Number 8, mid-air collision. Number 8, mid-air collision. Number 9, suicide. So it's technically thing, but number 10, Alaska Flight 261. Yeah. Oh yeah. Number 11, Gold Flight 19. Did not good. No, it did fall. Number 12. National Airlines Flight 102. Not good. We're gonna die. Oh no.
Stall. Stall, sink rate. Stall, sink rate. Stall system.
Number 13. 2-year-old pilot. Number 13, you hate the ATC. You suck. You're the worst ATC in the world. I got you. Number 14, American Airlines Flight 191. Number 14, Delta, no, number 15, Delta 191.